Well, a new health initiative in the Med City allows COVID-19 positive patients who are experiencing homelessness to receive daily medical care. It's a partnership between Mayo Clinic's community paramedics, Olmsted County Public Health, The Landing, and Catholic Charities. The initiative allows community paramedics to help provide medical support for COVID positive patients that are experiencing homelessness. Our Maria Bray has the story.
Thank you to everyone who has helped me through this journey.
This man, who asked not to be on camera, is one of many who tested positive for COVID-19 while in a homeless shelter.
Checking their vitals, if they are short of breath up and walking around, we'll check their oxygen levels while they're up and walking around.
Zack Stickler is a Mayo Clinic community paramedic and one of the first frontline workers to start visiting isolated patients who were provided temporary housing from homeless shelters to quarantine safely. Last week, Stickler saw 11 patients.
A lot of people that we saw were towards the end of their quarantine period, so the light was at the end of the tunnel for them. And some people that are just getting into it, we're helping them throughout that whole time in quarantine.
A Mayo doctor says this type of treatment creates healthcare trust for unsheltered patients.
I think by bringing care to the people, it humanizes that healthcare, and we're no longer just this, big building that engulfs them when they're brought in by an ambulance. We want to be their trusted and, healthcare providers who really care for them no matter what is going on in their lives.
Many shelters have been hit hard by the virus. Olmsted County saw the same amount of positive cases among unsheltered individuals for 2 weeks in the beginning of December.
We had another testing event, which again elicited about the same infection rate, another 25 to 30%. So then we had another 11 or 12 people isolating.
All the more reason to have extra help on those patients' road to recovery.
One of the things that this population hasn't had before is that kind of medical care. So this is really given a new focus on how can we help them with those needs.
And those who've been through it, grateful for the support.
It is very difficult right now, and I just want to say thank you to all the nurses and the first responders.
In Rochester, Maria Bray, Fox 47 News.
As of right now, there will be 3 community paramedics in this position. Community paramedics an expanded role, then a regular paramedic. They're trained in primary care, social services, and community engagement.